The second slice, understanding state income tax. Remember federal tax? Well, guess what? Depending on where you live, there might be a second subscription fee. It's called state income tax. My poor round belly can only take so much heartbreak. Federal tax handles the big stuff like the military. But state income tax stays closer to home. It pays for your state highways, local schools, state police, and those public parks where I like to take my naps. Not every state wants your lunch money. States like Texas, Florida, and Nevada have zero state income tax. Other states use a flat tax. Everyone pays the same percentage. Or a progressive tax. The more you make, the higher the tax percentage. In April, when you're dealing with the IRS, don't forget your state's tax department. They want their slice of the pie too, and believe me, I know a thing or two about wanting a slice of pie. Check your state's rules, keep your receipts, and remember, your state's tax collector? You definitely have to listen to them. See ya. What state do you live in? Do you pay state income tax? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more finance tips.